Welcome back to Rhino. Today's project is converting a raster image to a G-code. So we'll go with one more thing, and we'll convert our raster image starting with Rhino, and then we'll convert our image to a G-code is our project today. So first of all, we'll start with vectorize. Our command, we'll type it in, and then we'll convert a raster image to a vector image. Then change the vector image to a G-code that you can cut out on your CNC machine. So let's get started. We'll have a simple raster image. We picked one off the internet. And so what we'll do is we'll type in vectorize up here at the command line. Then we will simply pick the file that we want to change from a raster to a vector. This is how simple it is. And I just picked the defaults for right now, and I think it will work just fine because we had a nice clean raster image. So we get the outline and some details on the inside. Yeah, looks pretty good. Now to convert that image to a G-code, it's this simple. We start up Grasshopper, and in Grasshopper we pick the geometry that we want to use, and then it goes through the magic of changing to a G-code. A G-code is fairly simple. It's just a series of points that we will use as our XYZ coordination. Now we need to decide where we want to save it. We right click on the panel, and then we pick out where we want to save it and the file name. One important thing at the file name is we need to place an extension on here. In this case it's a MCD file. We'll save that, and this will give us a location for our file. Now we'll stream the data, which is the stuff inside, all the points, and we will save that to that file name. So now we save that to a flash drive. So now we'll take it over to our CNC machine, and our CNC machine, we load it up, and it reads the file, and it starts cutting out from point to point. The more points you have, the smoother the curves are. There's our finished product. Pretty simple. And in just a few minutes, you went from a raster image, vector, to a CNC. So I'm looking for somebody to help me develop the next phase of this, where we have a graphical user interface, a pop-up screen, if you will, that will become a simpler version of our project. Thank you.